Let's quickly now shift our focus to the latest coming in from Parliament. Now, viewers, it is the 9th day of the winter session of Parliament, and as expected, we are seeing some protests. Congress party once again is seeking a debate on the Adani issue. And these are the visuals of the protest from earlier that we are bringing for our viewers. In fact, the opposition MPs, we are learning, are holding a protest today as well, and they are seen wearing PM businessman Nexus allegation jacket in the Parliament premises. Several Congress MPs have been spotted wearing a jacket with this particular poster. TMC and Samajwadi Party netas have skipped this protest, are not taking part in this particular protest led by the Congress Party, because Congress Party once again is demanding a discussion, a debate on the Adani issue. Now, that's the latest update coming in, and we will be getting for our viewers the latest visuals as well. Okay, there you can see the latest visuals. All these Congress netas are seen wearing these jackets, and we have some reactions as well coming in. Let's cut across.
भारत वर्ष में वीसा सिस्टम तो है नहीं, पासपोर्ट तो लगता नहीं। कश्मीर से कन्याकुमारी तक कोई भी साधारण नागरिक जा सकता है, तो फिर ये राहुल गांधी पे रोक क्यों? वो नेता विपक्ष भी हैं, सांसद हैं, और वो वहां शांति बहाली के लिए जा रहे थे। वो वहां अमन कायम करें।
All right, so another demand, in fact, that the Congress netas are making about why Rahul Gandhi, the leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, was not allowed to go to Sambhal yesterday. That is another issue that the Congress netas, Congress MPs are going to raise in the Parliament today, something that we just heard from the Congress MP there. Let's go across to my colleague Pragya now joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Pragya, give us more details about this new strategy of the Congress MPs. All of them have come to the Parliament wearing this jacket with a poster, at the back talking about Prime Minister Modi and the businessman Nexus. And we are seeing how, other MPs of parties like TMC and SP are not really taking part in this kind of a new stunt, as many are calling it.
First about the strategy, because Speaker has told them not to block the entrance of the Parliament, because when they do protest at the Makar Dwar, then many of the MPs couldn't go through the particular Dwar and they have to take the side road. That is also a problem, and in fact Speaker has urged them yesterday not to do it. So what they did today is they had formed a file and they have taken 2 rounds of the premises of the Parliament outside the Makar Dwar, and while shouting the chants of Modi Adani Ek Hai. Basically, the demand of the Congress is that Adani should be, a case should be filed, and obviously investigation should be launched, or at least JPC should be formed to look into this matter of Mr. Adani. Having said that, this is a new way of protest that Congress did today, where Priyanka Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi and each and every Congress MP along with few DMK MPs, and their allies, apart from Samajwadi Party and TMC, they were all present, they were all chanting slogans, but they were not talking about Sambhal. It is probably this reason that Samajwadi Party is not participating in this protest. The Congress is giving a judgment motion on Adani only, and it is only today that they had given a judgment motion.
अरे गाड़ी आगे करवाओ।
All right, so Rahul Gandhi there, it seems, is going to say something, and he was seen asking other MPs to not block the path, and all other MPs were asked to go to the Parliament, inside the Parliament. And what's interesting, viewers, is that Rahul Gandhi is not wearing the jacket symbolizing the protest that all other Congress MPs are seen wearing. It is a symbolic gesture because it showcases their protest over the Adani issue, and once again they staged a demonstration and in fact all other MPs of the Congress party specifically are seen wearing this jacket to the parliament today on this 9th day of the winter session of parliament. So once again it's expected to be a stormy day. Let's listen in to Rahul Gandhi.
लगातार राहुल जी आप मानव श्रृंखला बनाया आज आपने, आप अपना ही इन्वेस्टिगेशन कराओगे कभी? आप करा सकते हो अपना इन्वेस्टिगेशन? इसलिए नहीं होगा। मोदी जी अडानी जी का इन्वेस्टिगेशन नहीं करा सकते क्योंकि अगर वो कराएंगे तो वो अपना ही इन्वेस्टिगेशन कराएंगे।
तो बड़ी बात राहुल गांधी ने यहाँ बहुत बड़ी है, फाइट होगी।
मोदी और अडानी लगातार राहुल जी आप मानव श्रृंखला बनाया आज आपने, आप अपना ही इन्वेस्टिगेशन कराओगे कभी? आप करा सकते हो अपना इन्वेस्टिगेशन? इसलिए नहीं होगा। मोदी जी अडानी जी का इन्वेस्टिगेशन नहीं करा सकते क्योंकि अगर वो कराएंगे तो वो अपना ही इन्वेस्टिगेशन कराएंगे।
तो बड़ी बात राहुल गांधी ने यहाँ बहुत बड़ी है, फाइट होगी।
मोदी और अडानी एक है, दो नहीं है, एक है। लगातार राहुल जी आप मानव श्रृंखला बनाया आज आपने, आप अपना ही इन्वेस्टिगेशन कराओगे कभी? आप करा सकते हो अपना इन्वेस्टिगेशन? इसलिए नहीं होगा। मोदी जी अडानी जी का इन्वेस्टिगेशन नहीं करा सकते क्योंकि अगर वो कराएंगे तो वो अपना ही इन्वेस्टिगेशन कराएंगे।
तो बड़ी बात राहुल गांधी ने यहाँ बहुत बड़ी है, फाइट होगी।
मोदी और अडानी एक है, दो नहीं है, एक है।
All right, so that was Leader of Opposition Rahul Gandhi once again repeating his allegation and that Modi Adani ek hai, a charge that was in fact first leveled by the Congress party's Rahul Gandhi during Maharashtra elections, and once again in the parliament today Rahul Gandhi repeating the same. This at a time when various leaders from the INDIA bloc are staging a protest demanding a debate on the Adani issue. And today what's interesting is that most of them, in fact specifically members of parliament from the Congress party, have come sporting a jacket with this particular messaging that Modi Adani ek hai. And it's interesting to see how the members of parliament from TMC and SP, the Samajwadi party, are not really taking part in this particular issue that's being raised by Congress party repeatedly. Let's once again hear what's happening.
As you can see behind me is the opposition protesting right at the onset of the parliament session for today. They're protesting on the Adani issue again. The fact that not many of the allies are there, but Congress and DMK both are present in this particular protest, along with Priyanka Gandhi leading the chorus. However, as you can see, these opposition members, as requested by the speaker and also directed by the speakers, they are not protesting on the stairs of Makar Dwar, which is the entrance to parliament, but they are using this platform and the area leading to those stairs. They have this poster stick to their half jackets protesting against Adani right now. These protests have become a regular feature at the onset or at the start of the parliament session each day ever since they have given adjournment notice regarding allegations and charges that have been leveled against Adani Group in the US.
We want JPC! JPC! मैम आपको लगता है कि जवाब देने आएंगे सदन में आप लोग
All right, so on one hand, we are bringing to you visuals from outside the parliament where Congress MPs are continuously demanding JPC probe in the Adani issue, a debate on the Adani issue. On the other hand, inside in Lok Sabha, a debate is currently underway where Union Minister Nitin Gadkari is speaking. But on the outside, we can see Congress MPs out there once again adamant on the debate on Adani issue, on their demand for a debate on Adani issue. Clearly, other issues, it seems, are not very, very important for the Congress party because we have seen how the Speaker also, the Rajya Sabha chairman, in fact, had listed about 9 odd issues that the opposition wants a debate on, and most of them in fact have been listed as well, but we are also seeing continuous protest happening outside. Let's go across to Shehzad Poonawalla of the BJP joining us on the broadcast as well this morning. Shehzad, good morning. Thank you very much for speaking with us here on Times Now. It's day 9 of the winter session of Parliament. We are seeing proceedings inside the Parliament, but outside, Congress party reiterating its demand of a debate on Adani issue, a JPC on Adani issue.
Once again, Congress party finds itself isolated because not a single member of parliament from SP or TMC have joined their protest. And in fact, Shamik Bhattacharya of TMC said that Congress is holding parliament to ransom and they are actually defeating the decorum of democracy by doing this kind of protest. The fact of the matter is that Congress is isolated by its own allies. The own allies have said that Adani issue is not an issue on which Parliament should be held hostage. But Congress party, since it wants to assume the leadership role in India Alliance, every day it is trying to create a situation in Parliament where Parliament can't function by putting confrontation above consensus, disruption above deliberation, and then when they feel that nobody else is supporting them, then they come on to issues like Sambhal. So today Congress party once again has been isolated, and they should ask themselves that why their own allies are not believing in the issues they are raising, forget everybody else.
Right. And yesterday we saw how Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, other members of Parliament of the Congress party wanted to visit Sambhal, and he did not even attend the Parliament session yesterday, an issue that was raised in the Parliament too. Now, today again, they are back with this Adani demand, eventually impacting the discussion on other important issues that people of this country also want to see in Parliament.
You see, Congress has now become a party which only says my way or highway. And when the allies don't listen to them, or when the allies have isolated them, then for the sake of vote bank politics, that even we are going to run in the same direction of vote bank politics, they ran to Sambhal. But even Ram Gopal Yadav and today Mr. Dharmendra Yadav have said that instead of raising this issue in Parliament, they have chosen to raise other issues which we do not agree with. I am only saying one thing. Is India Alliance even united on any single issue that they are raising? Today, ask Congress party to get a letter of support from Sharad Pawar, from TMC and from Samajwadi Party saying that they agree with the Congress party on this issue. Forget everybody else.
All right, Shehzad Poonawalla, appreciate you joining us here on Times Now and sharing with us your perspective. We have Tom Vadakan of the BJP also now with us on the broadcast. Good morning, Mr. Tom Vadakan. Appreciate you speaking with us here on Times Now. What do you make of these visuals that we are now getting from outside the Parliament? Congress netas, once again, members of Parliament, they're demanding a debate on the Adani issue, a JPC on the Adani issue, while there are very, very important issues that also need a discussion, something that was highlighted earlier by Samajwadi Party MPs, by TMC MPs?
I think there's been a conversation between Soros and Rahul Gandhi to keep hammering on this issue, because Soros is more interested in the economic situation in this country. He wants to damage us economically. That is why he is reiterating this attack on Adani. And that is essentially what is being played out. TMC has realized this game, so the SP, that this is basically aimed not at the Prime Minister, but the economic growth of this country. That is being led by Adani Group. They have been proactively working in different fronts, the ports, the airports, and internationally also. They are in competition with China and other countries. So that damage is what is provocative. This is not about of India. The priorities in India are not being mentioned, but they are still on this target of Adani, and that is essentially reflects the Soros note that keeps coming between wherever he is and New Delhi.
Mr. Tom Vadakan, politics aside, you know, it's also the issue of taxpayers' money that's being wasted almost on a daily basis. I mean, we have seen how the first week was a complete washout. Then we hoped that, you know, perhaps some business will take place inside the parliament. There will be discussions because these are people's representative. So what can really break this stalemate is the question that people of this country are asking today.
The Congress party and its leadership cares three hoots about the exchequer. They are used to a loot raj. Wherever they have governments, they have ATM set up, and you can see the bankruptcy that has crept into all the centers where the Congress is in power. For them, this doesn't matter. People of India don't matter. For them, power is more important, how to get to power. We have called the meetings. There has been a consensus. Everything is on record, and they still don't want to have a situation where there's time saved in Parliament. That shows their lack of interest in the common people, in taxpayers' money that is involved in this whole exercise.
All right. Mr. Tom Vadakan, appreciate you speaking with us here on Times Now and sharing with us your perspective on this particular issue. And it seems, viewers, Congress party is alone as far as this Adani issue is concerned, because allies of Congress in the India bloc do not seem to be taking part in this protest by the Congress members of Parliament. Let's now move on, and there